From cyan blue, emerald green to sunset orange and sunny yellow, offbeat eyeshadow colors have taken over our Instagram feed. With the 90s wave making a comeback, not just fashion but vibrant 90s eyeshadow trend is coming back into vogue as well. Bright offbeat hues are now replacing the 90s light frosty shadows. Not just one color, beauty mavens are experimenting with multicolor eyeshadows this summer season. Let's have a look at how Bollywood is embracing the pop color eyeshadow trend. Disha Patani has expressed her love for makeup multiple times. Disha paired her encrusted green gown with emerald green eyeshadow. In other selfies she shared with her fans, she's played with fun and bold pinks, reds and even yellow. When working with such bold colors, Disha skips the eyeliner and goes for fuller lashes with layers of mascara. Bhumi Pednekar seems to be a fan of purple and lavender hues, as she was seen rocking the color in her eyeshadow looks in multiple different ways. She wore her purple eyeshadow with contrasting yellow wing for a photo shoot, making the purple pop. She also wore her purple shadow with a classic black liner and a purple wing for another photo shoot look. If you're a beginner, there's an easy way to get into the pop eyeshadow trend. That is with a classic blue eyeshadow. Take a cue from Sara Ali Khan. Sara matched her blue outfit with a bright blue eyeshadow and she amped the look up with tons of blue mascara. If you're just a beginner, you could even skip the shadow and add a pop of color to your eyes with just blue mascara. Malaika Arora and Isha Gupta added a touch of glam to their blue eyeshadow with a pop of glitter in the center. So take the color out of your clothes and pop it onto your eyes this summer.